If you're over 55 and shopping for what could be your last pickup truck, this decision matters more than you think. Get it right, and you'll drive comfortably into retirement without a single surprise repair bill. Get it wrong, and you'll be throwing $12,000 a year at a mechanic instead of enjoying your grandkids. Today, I'm counting down the top 5 pickup trucks built for smart buyers over 55. Trucks that cross 300,000 miles, ride smooth enough that your back won't hate you after a long drive, and keep insurance costs low enough to actually protect your retirement savings. Stick around for number 1, because that top spot is the most bulletproof truck ever built, and the bonus at the end will save you from the single biggest mistake older truck buyers are making right now. Let's go. Number 5 is the GMC Sierra 1500 from 2015 to 2018. The upscale workhorse that drives like a luxury sedan. Here's why this one's perfect for the over 55 crowd. The Sierra from this era came with the 5.3-liter Ecotec 3V8. And that engine was built for one thing: going the distance. Owners routinely cross 250,000 miles with nothing more than oil changes and basic service. But the real story is the cabin. Whisper quiet. Suspension tuned for comfort. A step in height that's manageable, so you're not straining your back every time you climb in. The SLT and Denali trims give you leather, Bose audio, and a premium ride without the premium price tag. Now, the financial angle. A clean 2015 to 2017 Sierra SLT can be found for $20,000 to $28,000 used. Compare that to a new truck at $60,000 plus, and you're keeping $30,000 right in your retirement account. Insurance costs are also lower because these older Sierras have a proven safety record, and none of the expensive driver assist tech that drives up comprehensive coverage. One important warning: avoid the models with active fuel management unless you plan to install an AFM delete. That cylinder deactivation system has been linked to lifter failures at higher mileage. But get a standard 5.3 without the fancy fuel-saving tricks, and you've got a truck that will last decades. If you want quiet, comfortable, and proven, the Sierra is a smart start to our list. Number 4 is the Ford F-150 with the 5.0 Toyota Viva 8 from 2015 to 2017. The aluminum body workhorse that refuses to quit. This is America's best-selling truck, but not every F-150 is created equal. The sweet spot for buyers over 55 is this specific 3-year window, paired with the naturally aspirated 5.0 Coyote V8 and the 6R86-speed automatic transmission. This combination is widely called one of the most reliable powertrains Ford has ever built. Here's what matters. The 5.0 Coyote regularly crosses 250,000 to 300,000 miles with proper maintenance. One forum member has a 2014 F-150 with the same Coyote engine at 295,000 miles, still towing trailers on the interstate without complaint. No turbos to rebuild, no complicated direct injection carbon buildup. Just a big, smooth, naturally aspirated V8 that does its job. Now the financial picture: a clean 2015 to 2017 F-150 with this powertrain sells for $15,000 to $25,000 on the used market. Because the F-150 is so common, parts are everywhere, labor rates are reasonable, and you'll never be held hostage by a dealership with a rare parts on back order. Here's the critical rule: stay away from the 2018 and newer F-150s with the 10R8010 speed transmission unless you want to roll the dice on transmission reliability. The 6-speed in the earlier trucks is proven. The 10-speed had teething issues that lasted for years, and it's the same transmission tied to lawsuits over harsh shifting and hard failures. For an easy truck that any mechanic in America can service, this is the safe bet. Number 3 is the Ram 1500 Classic with the 5.7-liter Hemi Fifth 8. specifically the non-e-torque version from 2019 to 2023. The smoothest riding full-size truck money can buy. Here's why this one matters for buyers over 55. Comfort. Pure, uncompromising comfort. Ram was the first full-size truck manufacturer to ditch leaf springs in favor of a coil spring rear suspension. The result is a ride quality that genuinely feels like a luxury SUV, not a pickup. If you have back issues, knee issues, or you're just tired of being bounced around after decades of driving older trucks, this one will change your life. The Hemi itself is a known quantity. When you go with the non-e-torque version, you skip the mild hybrid complexity, the 48-volt battery, and the belt-driven starter generator that can cause issues down the road. Pure and simple, 5.7 liters of American V8. Owners report crossing 220,000 miles on the original engine and transmission with routine service only. Now here's the kicker. RepairPal ranks the Ram 1500 #1 among all 17 full-size trucks for reliability, with an average annual repair cost of $691. That's nearly $100 less per year than the Ford F-150. Over a decade of ownership, that's real money staying in your pocket. The financial picture looks great too. A 2021 or 2022 Ram 1500 Classic with the 5.7 Hemi, non-e-torque, and reasonable miles runs about $25,000 to $32,000. You're getting a premium interior, the smoothest ride in the segment, and a proven drivetrain for roughly half the price of a brand new one. The rule is simple. Skip the e-torque badge. Skip the brand new 5th generation trucks with the Hurricane straight 6 engine until it has another decade of road miles behind it. Stick with the classic non-e-torque Hemi, and you'll love this truck deep into your 70s. Quick pause here. If this list is helping you think differently about your next truck, hit that like button. It really helps the channel, and trust me, the next truck on this list will surprise you, because it's built by a company most people don't even associate with pickup trucks. You will not believe the reliability numbers. Number 2 is the Honda Ridgeline from 2017 to 2020. The truck that drives like your favorite SUV. I know what some of you are thinking. A Honda? A unibody truck? But stick with me, because for the over 55 buyer, this might be the most practical pick on this entire list. The Ridgeline is built on the same platform as the Honda Pilot and Honda Passport, which means it rides like a luxury crossover, not a pickup truck. No harsh body-on-frame bounce, no stiff leaf springs, no jarring vibration through the steering wheel. Just smooth, car-like handling that's genuinely easy on your body during long drives. Under the hood is Honda's 3.5-liter V6, not turbocharged, not hybridized, just a naturally aspirated port-injected V6 that has been refined for decades across Honda's entire lineup. These engines routinely exceed 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. IC Cars rates the Ridgeline 2nd out of 7 most reliable midsize trucks with an 8.1 out of 10 reliability score, and the statistical probability of reaching 200,000 miles sits at over 40%, more than 8 times the industry average. Now here's where it gets interesting for older buyers. Annual maintenance costs average around $500 to $600 according to RepairPal. That's less than almost every other truck on this list. Insurance premiums are among the lowest in the segment because of strong safety scores and low repair costs, and the dual-action tailgate, which opens both down and sideways, plus the famous lockable in-bed trunk, make loading groceries, suitcases, or golf clubs genuinely easy. No climbing into a tall bed, no wrestling heavy cargo over the side. Here's the kicker that seals it. The Ridgeline's cabin is not just quiet for a truck. It's luxury car quiet. After 20 or 30 years of driving noisy work trucks, this feels like a vacation every time you get behind the wheel. Pair that with Honda's legendary reliability, and a used price point of $20,000 to $32,000 for a 2018 or 2019 model. And you've got one of the smartest pickup truck purchases you can make in your 50s, 60s, or 70s. If you don't need to tow a fifth-wheel trailer or haul a ton of gravel, the Ridgeline is very likely the right answer. And at number 1, the absolute king of pickup trucks for smart buyers over 55. Number 1 is the Toyota Tundra from 2014 to 2021 with the 5.7-liter 3 URFE V8, the million-mile truck. This is it. If you want one truck that you never have to think about again, this is the one. The second-generation Tundra paired with the 3 URFE 5.7-liter V8 is widely considered one of the most bulletproof truck powertrains ever built. We're not talking marketing hype. We're talking hard, verified data. ECCars ranks the Toyota Tundra as the longest-lasting light-duty pickup on the market, with a 30% chance of hitting 250,000 miles. That's more than 6 times the industry average of 4.8%. Let me repeat that so it sinks in. 6 times the average. Owners regularly report 300,000, 400,000, even 500,000 miles on original engines with nothing but scheduled maintenance. There's a documented case of a 2014 Tundra that hit 1 million miles in April of 2025. Toyota actually took the truck back and gifted the owner a brand new one just to study how the original survived that long. Here's the technical piece that matters for you. The 3 URFE is naturally aspirated, no turbos to blow, no direct injection carbon buildup. The block itself is X-ray scanned at the factory to catch any imperfections before the engine ever sees a wrench. It's paired with the ASIN 6-speed automatic, a transmission known for going the distance without drama. There's no cylinder deactivation, no stop-start system, no experimental tech, just a big, thick, overbuilt V8 that starts every morning and runs forever. Now, the financial case is where it really clicks for retirees. Yes, the Tundra gets maybe 15 miles per gallon on a good day. That's the trade-off. But RepairPal puts the average annual maintenance cost at just $606, remarkably low for a full-size truck with this kind of longevity potential. Used prices for a 2016 to 2021 Tundra run $28,000 to $45,000 depending on trim and miles. That's a premium, but you're buying 20 years of reliability, not a new truck payment every 5 years. Here's the real kicker, and this is why you need to move now. The new third-generation Tundra with the twin-turbo V6 has been plagued with problems. Toyota recalled over 102,000 trucks for engine failures tied to manufacturing debris left in the block, and the recall later expanded to include 127,000 more 2024 trucks. Dealers have been refusing trade-ins on those newer trucks. Owners are scrambling. That means the pre-2022 Tundras with the legendary 5.7 V8 have never been more valuable, and prices are climbing as word spreads among smart buyers. If you want a pickup truck that you can buy today and never ever worry about again, this is the answer. Find a clean 2016 to 2021 Tundra, change the oil every 5,000 miles, change the transmission fluid every 60,000 miles, and you will drive this truck into your 80s with a smile on your face. Before we wrap up, let me save you from the single biggest mistake older truck buyers are making in 2026. The one to avoid is any brand new truck with an unproven twin turbocharged engine. That includes the new Ram 1500 with the Hurricane Straight 6, the new third-generation Toyota Tundra twin-turbo V6, and the twin-turbo hybrid combinations showing up in the newest F-150 and Tundra trim levels. Why does this matter? Because turbochargers add complexity, heat, and failure points. Twin turbos double the problem. Hybrid systems add 48-volt batteries, belt-driven starter generators, and electronics that fail in expensive ways right around the time your warranty expires. At your stage in life, you do not need to be a beta tester for engineering experiments. You need a proven drivetrain that's been on the road for a decade with hundreds of thousands of data points, proving it works. Stick with the naturally aspirated engines on this list, and you will thank yourself every single time the truck starts on a cold morning. So here's the bottom line. The smartest pickup truck you can buy over 55 is not the fanciest one on the lot. It's not the one with the biggest touchscreen, the most horsepower, or the newest trim package. It's the one that starts every single morning, rides smooth enough that your back doesn't hate you after a long drive, and stays out of the repair shop for the next 20 years. A Toyota Tundra from the right years if you want the bulletproof king. A Honda Ridgeline if you value comfort above all else. A Ram 1500 Classic if you want the smoothest ride in the full-size segment. An F-150 with the Coyote V8 for nationwide parts availability. A GMC Sierra if you want the luxury truck experience without paying luxury money. Any of these 5 could genuinely be the last truck you ever need to buy. Here's what I want from you. Drop a comment below and tell me which one you'd pick. Are you a Tundra loyalist? A Ram Comfort fan? A Ridgeline convert? I want to hear it. And if this video helped you think differently about your next truck, hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow, and I've got a lot more videos like this coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.